Hi, I'm Artsyylicious and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you on how to do this amazing glow art piece with this bokeh background. Please do subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon so that you can get a notification every time I post. Please do follow me on my Instagram. And now let's get on into this tutorial. After importing my image into IbisPaintX, I create a new layer on top of the base layer and switch its blending mode to add. Choosing the brush, airbrush trapezoid 20% and my desired color, I am now going to go over the image and make it glow. To know the exact details and process of how I do my glow art, please watch my video, How to Make Glow Art on IbisPaintX. I will link it up in the eye and down in the description of this video. That video will provide you with a good base on the principles of glow art and will hopefully help you with this more advanced tutorial. Over here, I'm blending the glow, building the brightest parts near the outline of the drawing and slowly blending it out into the areas that do not have any color on them.
So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time.
Choosing a lighter shade, almost white, of the same color, I'm going to go over the areas I want to appear extra bright. I am taking the arm as the source of light, and that is why you will see I am putting the brightest areas right outside the outlines of the arm. Going into the orange color on the same layer, I'm gonna now blend out these extra bright yellow areas so that it looks more like fire and flames. Creating a new layer for the body highlights and switching the blending mode to add, I am now going to highlight the hair, face and body with a lighter shade of yellow.
Take me in small, breathe me in and let me go. Filling the lungs inside you and the blackened eyes.
Creating a new layer and dragging it below the layer with the body highlights, I am now switching the blending mode to add for this layer. This is our new layer 3. Choosing the brush Neon on this new layer, I am now going to create some strokes representing sparks and ambers. Adjust your brush size as needed to get the required results. Changing the brush color to orange or red, I'm now creating some more sparks that are smaller than the ones we drew previously.
Let the darkness take control. Darkness take control.
I am also adding some sparks around the body.
Take me in small.
Staying on the same layer, I am now going to go into effects. Going into the category of blur, I'm choosing the lens blur effect and adjusting its settings.
So you can see what you do. Rest
Now, time to add the bokeh. Creating another layer and keeping the layer blending mode on normal, I'm now going to use a sequin brush to create my dots.
In the dead of the night, teardrops on
Going into the FX menu and the blur subcategory, I'm going to choose lens blur and adjust the settings. Adding in another layer, I'm dragging it down to the bottom. This layer is going to be the one where I draw on his eyes. The layer blending mode is on normal, and I use the airbrush trapezoid 20% brush and start with the darker colors and slowly move and blend into the lighter shades. Don't forget to add the wash of white to the rest of the eyes.
gotta let you say it, 'cause I back it up. So appreciate I could pick it up. Heading on the way, don't you know I'm up? So up, so up.
Adding in another layer, I am now using the brush glitter pen to add some more sparkles to the background to make it look extra bright. I'm further adjusting the transparency of the background layers to blend into the image better. Time to clean up the drawing and switch to the eraser tool. In cases where the outlines are close to the light source, you do not need to go over them and make them clean. The light will blur the outlines based on the laws of light and physics.
There's places I could take you, lost in the dream of what comes after the.
But other than those areas, make sure to clean up the lines properly so that your black outlines stand out again.
I party like a drum. On top, boy, I take it like a hold up.
And that's it. That's how you create glow art with a bokeh background. I hope you liked this video and found it useful. If you have any questions, please comment down below, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with your friends. I'll be posting more tutorials and tips and tricks, so stay tuned. See you later.